All right, here we go. So this is a version of kind of a putt-putt golf game. And this one I'm showing you is really good for toddlers or kids that are learning their numbers. Because you can say, I want you to find the number 1, and then they will take the ball that you give them, and you will roll, have them find it, and then roll the ball. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even trying to get it through the next one, but that was cool. But then you have them roll the ball through it, and then find the next number. And then you can also do it if they're having trouble with number order, have them go all the way around in numerical order. You can also do this activity with older kids, and then instead of having numbers on the top, have answers to trivia questions that you come up with. So if it's about animals, describe an animal to them, and then have them try to find the one with the name of the right animal on it, and they have to roll the ball through it. If you guys are fancy and have some like play golf equipment, like putters or something like that, this would be really fun to do throughout your house and have like a little miniature golf game. But this is a great way to make an activity educational, but also really fun that they're going to remember. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and please share pictures and videos with us if you make it. All right, see you later.